The reindeer, also known as caribou in North America, is a species of deer with circumpolar distribution, native to Arctic, subarctic, tundra, boreal, and mountainous regions of northern Europe, Siberia, and North America. This includes both sedentary and migratory populations. There are two varieties, oikotypes, tundra reindeer and forest reindeer. Tundra reindeer migrate between tundra and forest in huge herds numbering up to 500,000 in an annual cycle covering as much as 5,000 kilometers. Forest reindeer are much less numerous. Caribou and reindeer have large special hooves with 4 toes on each foot. These provide a number of benefits in their harsh Arctic environment. The toes spread out wide to act like snowshoes, distributing the animal's weight so that it can float over snow, soft ice, muskeg, and wetlands without sinking in. Caribous are large even-toed mammals that measure 1.2 to 2.2 meters in length and stand 1.2 to 1.5 meters at shoulder height. They can weigh between 60 to 318 kilograms. Their coats are short, thick, and colored brown in summer, turning gray in the winter. Their rumps and chests are white, and they have blunt, hair-covered muzzles and short tails. Reindeer and caribou are the same animal and are a member of the deer family. In Europe, they are called reindeer. In North America, the animals are called caribou if they are wild and reindeer if they are domesticated. They has been subdivided into 2 main groups, based on antler morphology and habitat, with 7 extant subspecies. Reindeer and caribou can interbreed, producing reproductively viable hybrids. Caribou are herbivores. Reindeer eat mosses, herbs, ferns, grasses, and the shoots and leaves of shrubs and trees, especially willow and birch. In winter, they make do with lichen, also called reindeer moss, that is a major food for caribou, and fungi, scraping the snow away with their hooves to get it. Caribou are land-based animals. Land-based animals are less likely to build up high levels of contaminants than marine animals, like beluga or ringed seal. Caribou eat plants and are low on the food chain. Animals that do not eat other animals also tend to have low levels of contaminants. The world of the caribou contains its enemies too. Its sinewy flanks are the mouth-watering awe of polar bear, grizzly, wolf, lynx, and even the eagle when it spies from above the newborn calf. While they don't tend to attack humans, herds with both males and females tend to cause aggression between individuals of the same gender. Northerners have traditionally relied on caribou as a major food source. Caribou can be eaten raw, frozen, aged, roasted, dried, or made into jerky, sausage, roasts and steaks. Smoking or drying helps preserve the meat and increases the amount of nutrients due to moisture loss during the drying process. Females generally have longer lifespans than males, some over 15 years. Bulls are highly susceptible to predation after the rut, which can leave them injured and or exhausted. Bulls typically live less than 10 years in the wild. The young are able to graze and forage but continue suckling until the following autumn and become independent from their mothers. Caribou become sexually mature at between 1.5 and 3.5 years of age. Mating season occurs in autumn as aforementioned. Males fight for access to females. Two males will lock their antlers together and try to push each other away. The most dominant males can collect as many as 15 to 20 females to mate with. A male will stop eating during this time and lose much of its body reserves. Births take place in May or June the following year on inland calving grounds after a gestation period of 45 days. One calf is born each year, with twins being rare. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for even more viewing pleasure. Don't forget, like and comment. Feel free to share.